Welcome to our new Fort Worth project. Over by TCU, we're taking on a drainage problem and fixing foundation over here in his work shed. Come with me and you can check it out. Let's go. All right, you can come check it with me. So we've always got the truck with us, a dually, with Birkes Builders on it. You know what we do. Then come back with me. So we've got the dump trailer. The dump trailer is invaluable. You can haul materials, you can haul trash, dirt off-site, anything you need. So what we're doing here is a drainage project. Over here, you can see we're doing French drain from the driveway. It's gonna take all this water from there. It's gonna go all the way to the back. Come on back. So we've got our guy. Look at him. Yeah, he's got it. And back here, we've got the shed that we're taking care of. So come check it on the inside. All right, come on inside, check it out, what we're doing. So you can see, we're totally taking out the entire flooring. So you can see down here, we're taking it all the way down, So the entire thing was rotten, the subfloor is going bad. The flooring was real thick hardwood, but it just was keeping up the entire flooring. I think that's why they did it, so they could sell it earlier. But come take a look. It's over on this side, this entire thing, completely rotten. We're taking it all out. We're gonna be replacing these beams in the floor, put another one in the middle, give it better support. On this side, we always protect our homeowners' stuff. So we wrap it before any kind of demo. So right now, we're standing in it in a few days. It's gonna be completely changed, new floor. We're gonna raise it all up, and we're gonna keep you all intact.